Sotindrila Nandini Pratishtha. My friends and my family call me Pratishtha. You can call me Pratishtha. I live in Dhaka, South Bonusri. In South Bonusri, 11 years. 11 years. 11 years. In my family, me and my mother and my father and my sister live. My father is an engineer and my mother is a homemaker. I love my father because he is a really kind man. He donates many bloods to many sick peoples and old peoples they need. My dad is an work at Quantum Foundation, and he is an engineer there, and my dad works there. My dad counsels many peoples, and sometimes we need counseling, sometimes we take help for our dad. My mom is an yoga teacher. She teaches yoga at Tuesday at 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. at Quantum Foundation at Dokhin Bonusri at Bishnamar Road. They have Quantum Foundations, many programs mom attends. Even mom is a counselor. I love my mom and dad very much because they are really good person, helps many people. My dream is to become like them, and I love to travel around the world. Especially I want to go to Japan because their traditional foods and their traditional dress, and I like their flags. Their flags some kind of like us. They have red ball inside and all outside white, and ours is red inside, outside is green. And I want that everyone came to Quantum and meet Guruji and learn many things, many good things, and I think everyone's day will be good. আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন। ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।